What is the term used to indicate the variable and constants of a class? Data members. Data members can be initialized only with help of constructors in C++. Which among the following is true for data members? Static data members are defined outside class, not in constructor. What should be done for data members to be of user-defined structure type? The structure must have been defined before class. How many data members can a class contain? As many as required. How to access data members of a class? Dot or arrow as required. To create a pointer to a private data members of a class outside the class, which among the following is correct? Return the address of the private data members using a member function. Which among the following is true for use of setter and getter function? Consider a red flag and not recommended for large scale use. The static member functions can only use static data members. What is keyword used to make data members have same value? Const. Which data members can be inherited but are private to a class? Protected. Which among the following is not allowed for data members declaration? Abstract A. Which among the following best describe member functions? Functions belonging a class. How many types of member functions are generally there in C++? 5. How can a static member function be called in main function? Using dot, arrow, or using scope resolution operator with class name. What are inline member functions? Member functions whose definition is expanded in place of its call. What happens if non-static members are used in static member function? Compiler time error. Static member functions does not contain this operator. How to access members of the class inside the member function? Use directly or with this pointer. For overloading operators, a class must be non-static member and should not be friend of class. If a virtual member function is defined, it should not contain anybody and defined by subclasses. Member functions of a generic class are automatically generic. Member function of a class can access all the members of the class. Which among the following is proper syntax for class given below? Advertisement class A. Void this resolution operator a method. A member function can call other member functions of the same class. Which member function does not require any return type? Constructor and destructor. Which among the following is not possible for member function? Access public members of subclass. What are local classes? Classes declared inside a function. All member functions of a local class must be defined inside the class body. Can local class members access or use the general local variables except static, abstract, etc. of this function in which it is defined? No, it cannot access in any. Which type of data can a local class access from the function in which it is defined? Static and extend. Can static variable be declared inside a local class? No, not possible.
क्या आप कर रहे हैं GATE CSE 2021?
All the member functions of local classes are abstract by default. Which language can use inheritance with local classes? SAP ABAP. How many local classes can be defined inside a single function? As many as required. The data members of a local class must be defined in constructor. Can two different functions have local class with same name? Yes, since local. What is the scope of local classes within the function? Can a function other than the enclosing function of local class access the class members? No, cannot access. Which among the following is Main advantage of using local classes helps to add extra functionality to a function. Which among the following best describes a nested class? Class inside a class. Which features of OOPS reduces the use of nested class? Inheritance. How many categories are nested classes divided into? 2. Non-static nested classes have access to all the members. Static nested class does not have access to from any other members enclosing class. The nested class can be declared public, protected, private or package private. Use of nested class increases encapsulation. Which among the following is correct advantage or disadvantage of nested class? Makes the code different and readable. How to access static nested classes? Outer class dot static nested class. How to create object of the inner class? Out class dot inner class inner object equal to out object dot new inner class. Instance of inner class can exist only within enclosing class. If a declaration of a member in inner class has the same name as that in the outer class, inner declaration shadows outer declaration in enclosing scope. A static nested class is top level class in behavior that is nested in another top level class. Thank you for watching this video. Please share, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.